Hello students, let us study English grammar, the articles. What are articles? The articles a, an and the are determiners used before nouns and sometimes adjectives. There are two types of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. The is a definite article which is used for a unique or specific things. A or an is an indefinite article which is used for general things. Let us see when to use a or an. Students, in English there are 26 alphabets. In that 26 alphabets there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U and 21 consonants B, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. An is used before a word that starts with a vowel A, E, I, O, U or a mute H. For example, an apple, an egg, an insect, an R. A is used before a word that starts with a consonant B, C, D, F, G, etc. For example, a bluebird, a nice man, a wonderful dinner, etc. Let us see when to use the. We use the when naming a noun that refers to an entire group of its kind. For example, the whale is a mammal. We use the when there is only one such thing. For example, the moon, the sun. We use the when a person, place, animal or thing is mentioned a second time. For example, we have a test tomorrow. We want to do well in the test. We use the before ordinal numbers before superlative adjectives. For example, the second seat in that row is mine. You are the best. The is used before following proper nouns. Names of oceans. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Names of deserts. The Thar Desert is in western India. Names of landmarks. I live behind the fire station. Name of monuments. The Taj Mahal is a optima of love. Names of newspapers, magazines and books. The Times of India is a popular English newspaper. Names of hotels and restaurants. The Land's End Hotel is near the shore. Now let us see when to use no articles, that is zero articles. When we talk about things in general. For example, milk is good for you. When we talk about sports and games. Example, let's go and play basketball. When we talk about names of countries. For example, Japan, France, Italy, etc. Before the name of language. For example, we are learning English. Before the name of meals. Example, they invited some friends to dinner. So students, today we have studied articles a, an and the.